I'm going to go through this first page with you. We're going to practice, and then you're going to have some practice. All right. So some of this you guys already know. So sales tax, it is a tax. Okay, it's right there in the title. Sales tax is a tax that is imposed. It's given by state or local governments. All right, it's a tax that's imposed by state or local governments. It is a percentage of cost of goods sold by the seller. All right, when we've done percents before, a lot of times we've done like 7% of something, 8% of something. Yeah. The taxes are going to vary. It's going to change by region. All right. So what we have in San Francisco is not going to be the same thing as they're going to be doing in New York. It's different based on the area that you are in. Okay. Zane, let's look down here. Zane buys 5 shirts from the store. The sales tax in his town is 7.4%. Find the sales tax on each item and the total cost paid for all 5 shirts. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the sales tax. And so what we do is we multiply whatever that price was, the cost of something, times the rate. Okay, the rate is 7.4%. Okay, so what we do is we take our tip and we're going to write it in the decimal form. And for those of you that are not remembering how to do that, first of all, percents, if we have 7.4%, remember percent means per 100. So this is the same thing as saying 7.4 over 100. And if we write 7.4 over 100, that's the same thing as saying that 7 is going to go in the hundredths place. And then we have 4. So these are all the same things. This is the percent version, the fraction version, and the decimal version of the exact same thing. So now that we have our rate as a decimal, we can multiply it times the cost. All right, so let's look at some of the items. So first, Zane bought 2 shirts, and each of the shirts was $12.38. So if we have a $12.38 shirt, and there's 2 of them, you can either add it 2 times or multiply by 2, doesn't matter. 16, 7, 4, and 2, $24.76. So our subtotal before tax is $24.76. Now, in order to find that sales tax, we got to multiply it times our rate. So we have $24.76, and we're going to multiply it times our rate. Okay, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7, 28 plus 2, 30. 4 times 4, 16, plus that 3, 19. 4 times 2, plus that 1. Okay, we're going to try and keep these nice and neat, ordered. Okay, 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 7 is 49, plus that 4. 7 times 4, 24, plus 6. 7 times 2, 14, plus 3. Let's add all this up. That's 0. We're going to keep going. 4, 2, 12, 10, 8, 1. So now that we have calculated that, let's put our decimal in. How many decimals are represented up above? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to move our decimal 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking at making sure I didn't make a mistake here. Um, 24, 30, 19. Okay. 42, 63. Oh, I knew it. 728 plus the 6. Whew. That would have been bad. This is supposed to be a 4. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys caught that. Yeah, okay. Because then, this is a 3. I hope you guys caught that. There we go. All right, and so we're going to round it to the nearest cent. So this is $1.83.224. All right, so $1.83 is our tax. All right, we're going to do this again, and I'm going to calculate correctly the first time, okay? Ooh, if we had been in class, you guys would have caught that and yelled at me right away. I know it. All right, now that I found my sales tax, in order to find the total of that price, I'm going to add my price and my tax. All right, so $24.76 plus $1.83. 6 and 3 is 9. 7 and 8 is 15. 1, 4, and 1, and 2. All right, so how much did he pay for those 2 shirts? He paid $26.59. All right, next, let's look at the next shirt. The next shirt is $13.40. Okay, we're going to do the same thing, the same process, except for hopefully I'll calculate the right the first time. All right, so $13.40. Well, in my head right now, I know that 2 shirts, 2 13s is 26 and 2 40s is 80. So I know that 2 of those shirts is going to be $26.80. And now I'm going to calculate the sales tax by multiplying $26.80 by my rate. So $26.80. Can you guys see that okay? Times my rate. All right, so 4 times 0 is 4. 4 times 8. 4 times 6 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is 27. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, next, 7 times 0. 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 6, 42 plus 5, 47. 7 times 2, 14 plus 4 is 18. Let's add this up. 4, 2, 13, 8, 9, and 1. All right, so how many decimals are represented? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dollars, boom. How much tax did he have to pay? $1.98. $1.98. So that's 2 cents less than $2. All right, so 2 cents less than $2. So if I round that up to $2, $26.80 plus $2 is $28.80. And then if I take those 2 cents back away, I should have $28.78. You guys get what I just did there? I rounded to $2 and then took 2 cents away. All right. Last one, and then we're going to find our grand total. So 1 shirt at $14.10. Our subtotal is $14.10. Let's find our sales tax. All right. So if we have $14.10, we're going to multiply that by our rate. 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 4 times 4. 4 times 1 plus 4. Okay, done with the ones place. Going to the tens. 7 times 0. 7 times 1. 7 times 4. 28. Carry the 2. 7 times 1 plus 2. Add 0. 4. 13. 14. 10. Okay, how many decimals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And money. Boom. So our tax is $1.04. Okay, $14.10 plus $1, $15.10 plus 4 cents. $15.14. Okay, to sum it all up, we're going to calculate the cost of all the shirts by adding. All right, so let's just add these three numbers up. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 4, 21. Okay, 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 2, 4, 6, and 7. So 5 shirts altogether, $70.51 after tax. Okay, flip that over. All right, this looks like a lot, but it's only 3 problems, okay? So it says here, he purchased his favorite video game at the mall. The sales tax rate was 7.75%. What was the total cost that he paid, including sales tax? All right, so for this problem, we have a price and we have a tax, and they want to know which one of these is the going to be the total cost, including sales tax. Well, this first problem, we don't even have to calculate. We know it cannot be this one because that's the price of the game, and that does not include tax. Okay, it cannot be this one because that's less than the price of the video game. It cannot be this one unless somehow there was $300 worth of tax. So the only logical solution is this one. Okay, it makes tax a little less than $4. Okay, go to the next problem. Eliana got a new puppy for her birthday. She went to the pet store to buy what she needed for the puppy: a food dish for $7.95, a leash for $9.95, a collar for $6.95, a crate for $29.90, a bag of food for $10.98, and a new chew toy for $2.50. What was Eliana's total, including sales tax, if the sales tax rate was $8.25? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add up all of these different items. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different items that we're going to add up. Whew, okay, quite a trip here. $7.95, $9.95. So I'm going through the list here. $6.95, $29.90, $10.98, and $2.50. I'm trying my best here to keep my columns nice and lined up. So first, let's add these up. 5, 10, 15 plus 8 should be 23. Okay, well, let's count the 9s first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 9s. 5 times 9 is 45. Plus 5 is 50, plus that 2, 52. Carry the 5. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 9, 21, plus 6, 27, plus 9, 36, plus 2, 38. 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it should be 68.23, and then we're going to, don't mark that off. We have not calculated sales tax. They put that there to catch you. Okay, so now we're going to calculate sales tax. We have 68 $5.23, and we're going to multiply it times our rate. So remember, with our percentage, we make this a decimal. Okay, basically the same thing as dividing by 100. Okay, don't get stuck on that. All right, this is going to be quite the multiplication problem. All right. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 plus 1. 5 times 8 plus 1, 41. 5 times 6 plus 4. Done with the ones. Heading to the tens. 2 times 3, 2 times 4, 2 times 8, 2 times 6 plus 1, 13. Heading to the hundreds. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 2 is 18. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 1 is 65. 8 times 6 is 6 times 8 is 48 plus 6 is 54. Add. 5, 7, 9, 18, 12, 6, and 5. Now, don't freak out yet. What is, how many decimals are there? 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our money. Okay, what does the 8 make the 2 do? 8 makes the 2 go up, so we are going to round this. Our tax is, so we have 68.23. We got to add our tax here, 68.23. And we're going to add our tax, $5.63, round it. 3 plus 3, 2 plus 6, decimal. 8 plus 5, and 6 and 1. So our total price right here, $73.86. All right, one more of this trickier page, okay? One more, and then we'll get you guys practicing a little bit. With the money she received for her birthday, Carla decides to go to the spa. She gets a facial for $45, a manicure for $19.95, a pedicure for $24.99 before she pays the bill. She has a 15% off coupon. Oh my goodness, she's given us quite the task here, isn't she? And the sales tax is $7 or 7.25%. Okay, so we're gonna find out our total amount applied. All right. So let's first calculate all the prices. So if we have $45, we have $19.95. We have a pedicure, $24.99. We're going to add all this up. First step. Okay, 5 plus 9. 1 plus 9 plus 9. 18 plus 1 is 19. 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4. 19. 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 89.97. Whoa, sorry. 89.94. All right, and we're going to take the 15% off coupon. So we have to find out how much she had off. All right, so first we're going to multiply it by 15%. This is quite the problem. So we have, you know what, I'm going to do it right here on this paper. Can you see that? 89.94, and we're going to multiply that by 15%. 15%, again, as a decimal. Boom. All right, let's calculate. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 9, 45 plus 2. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 4. And then 5 times 8 is 40 plus that 4. Okay, calculate that. Okay, now our tens. This one's easier. It's times 1. 4, 9, 9 and 8. Adding 0, 11, 19, 14, 12 was 13. Wow, that had me for a second. And then I have 4 decimals, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to round this to 49, right? So I'm getting $13.49 off my price. So if I had $89.94 and I got 15% off, $13.49, my price is going to be 14 take away 9, 8 take away 4, 9 take away 3, and 8 take away 1. $76.45. And I know this seems like this is quite a bit. It kind of is. But let's go ahead now and calculate our sales tax, and then this problem is done. So my new price is $76.45 because I got a coupon. Yeah. And I'm going to multiply that by my my tax, 7.25%. So 7.25%, 0.725. There we go. 7. Okay. So let's go ahead and calculate this humdinger, and then we'll be done. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2, 22. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2, 32. 5 times 7, 35 plus 3 is 38. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, gotta make sure that I don't get confused. Hundreds place, 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 3, 31. 7 times 6 is 42 plus the 3 is 45. 7 times 7 is 49 plus 4, 53. Add this up. 5, 2, 11 plus 5 is 16. This is 10 plus 2 is 12. 10, 13, 14. 5 and 5. How many decimals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo-hoo-hoo! Sales tax, $5.54. So it's $76.45 plus $5.54. 9, 9, 11, 8. Woo! That was quite